Very good afternoon to all. Today's topic is relations between the terms which we are going to use to calculate all the properties of soil. So first relation is between E, G, W and SR, where E is your voids ratio, G is your specific gravity, W is your water content and SR is your degree of saturation. So from the figure, EW represents volume of water, E represents the volume of voids and the volume of soil solids to the unity, that is 1. So first we know that soil is a three-phase system, solids, water and air. So volume of voids, totally if water is present then EW will be total and E will be your total voids of volume and volume of soil solids becomes unity, Vs equals to 1. So from the formula of SR, degree of saturation, which is given by VW upon VV. So VW is volume of water and VV is volume of voids in which air and water both voids are covered. So from the diagram, from the figure, with respect to air voids, they are taken to as EW upon E. So here volume of water is taken as EW and total volume is E. So EW, so if we simplify this, what will happen? EW will be equals to E into SR. So this will be your equation number 1. So term EW known as the water voids ratio. So for fully saturated soil, when soil is having 100% of water in it, there is no air or vacuum present there, then EW will be equals to E. So this is the diagram, soil element in terms of EW and E. After that we know that water content is given by WW upon WD, where WW is weight of water and WD is the weight of dry soil mass. So if we further simplify it with respect to the volumes, so it will be EW into gamma W. Okay, so what is needed is, this is simplified as, ये जो है ये VS into gamma W होता है, volume into density you have to take. So EW हम VW की जगह W है ये, sorry. So this is your W, वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर. तो प्रीवियस जो हमने देखा है यहाँ पे VW जो है वो क्या है, EW है. सो हियर अगेन वी आर टेकिंग VW एज EW इंटू गैमा W, यूनिट वेट ऑफ वाटर, डिवाइडेड बाई गैमा S इंटू 1. से दिस 1 इज़ द यूनिटी. सो यूनिटी मीन्स वॉल्यूम ऑफ वॉइड्स. फिर दोनों को हमको सिंप्लीफाई करना है, WW को VW इंटू गैमा W और WD को VS इंटू गैमा S, because it's a volume of soil solids. So volumes I have written it directly from the previous figure. So previous figure अगर आप देखेंगे तो VS जो है वो 1 है हमारा और VW जो है वो EW है. So that's why we have taken EW into gamma W upon gamma S into 1. As we know that you have the specific gravity G equals to gamma S upon gamma W. इसे फर्दर हम सॉल्व करते हैं विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू gamma S, so it will give you G into gamma W by cross multiplication. So therefore you will get the value W equals to, ये सारी वैल्यू G की वैल्यू अगर हम अबाव फॉर्मूले में W के फॉर्मूले में डालते हैं तो दैट विल बिकम EW into gamma W upon G into gamma W, because gamma S will get cancelled and remaining will be EW upon G. Again here gamma W will get cancelled. So you get remaining portion. So in terms of EW we calculate, so that will be G into W. That will be equation number 1. So if we equate equation 1 and equation 2, so previous slide में हमारे पास जो था equation जो हमें मिला था, that was EW equals to W into SR, और यहाँ पे हमारे पास EW equals to W into G है. So that is why you are getting E equals to WG upon SR. So this is your final relationship between E, W, G and SR. So this is your relation number 1. So whenever there is a saturated sample 100%, then SR will be equals to 1 and W will become W sat. Therefore E will be equals to W sat into G. So this you have to remember. Second equation is between relation E, SR and NA, where NA is your percentage voids ratio. So it is given by VA upon V. So VA is voids of air and V is the total voids present, total volume. ठीक है. So VA कैसे आया? वॉल्यूम ऑफ voids माइनस वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर. ठीक है. और वो अगर हम इक्वेशन देखेंगे फर्स्ट स्लाइड में जो हमने देखा था, दैट इज़ गिवन E माइनस EW. एंड V कैसे निकलेगा? टोटल VS प्लस वॉल्यूम ऑफ वॉइड्स. ठीक है. सो दिस इज़ योर फिगर. सॉरी. सो ये एयर है और दिस इज़ योर वाटर और ये सॉलिड्स है. सो दिस विल बी योर टोटल V. ठीक है. सो दिस इज़ योर टोटल V. सो दिस इज़ योर VS. ये इतना जो है यहाँ से यहाँ तक, दिस इज़ योर VS. ओके. और वॉल्यूम ऑफ वॉइड्स जो है यहाँ से यहाँ तक, दैट इज़ योर VV. ओके. वॉल्यूम ऑफ एयर प्लस वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर. ठीक है. सो तो ये वॉल्यूम हो गया. नाउ यू कैन सी दैट V इज़ 1 और ये टोटल जो है दैट इज़ योर E. सो दैट बिकम्स 1 प्लस E. देन you get Na equals to, if we substitute all these values in above equation, Na Va की value E minus EW upon 1 plus E. So therefore we have here EW equals to E into SR by previous relation, we know that. So further simplifying, Na is given as E 1 minus SR upon 1 plus SR, taking E as common. So this is the equation for your Na value. Then the relationship between gamma D, G and E or N. Okay. So this is the most important relationship we are going to learn here. So every time or maximum time this formula we are using in our calculations. So this is the figure. Before calculations we need to know this. So first figure shows the variations in void ratio E and second figure shows the variation in porosity N. So we know that gamma D equals to dry density equals to WD upon V, weight of dry soils upon volume. Then you can say that further we simplify, तो weight को हमने volume और unit weight से multiply किया, simplify किया, gamma S into VS upon V. सो फ्रॉम द फिगर VS क्या निकलेगा और V क्या मिलेगा हमको ये देखना है. सो VS फ्रॉम फिगर, अगर हम E का फिगर देखते हैं तो दिस इज़ योर V. सो दिस इज़ योर 1 हियर एंड टोटल वॉल्यूम, दिस इज़ योर टोटल वॉल्यूम. सो दिस इज़ गिवन एज 1 प्लस E. ठीक है. देन इफ़ यू सब्सटीट्यूट ऑल द वैल्यूज़, देन gamma S, so VS is 1 and volume, total volume is 1 plus E. So by simplifying we have got this value and we know that gamma S equals to G into gamma W. ये कहाँ से आया? G जो है that is gamma S upon gamma W. ठीक है. So G जो है वो gamma S upon gamma W होता है. So that's why you know that द वैल्यू gamma s इक्वल्स टू g gamma w हमको यहाँ पे मिला है. सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ g. सो g इक्वल्स टू gamma s अपॉन gamma w which gives gamma s इक्वल्स टू g gamma w. ऑलराइट, सो फर्दर सिंप्लीफाई अगर हम लोग करते हैं इसे, सो दैट यू गेट g gamma w upon 1 plus e. So this is the relation between gamma d, g and n. If you go for porosity, the formula will again change. This is the very important formula of gamma d. So first formula of gamma d कौन सा है, याद रखिए. I have already told you that there are 4 formulas to calculate the dry density. When weight and volume is given, gamma d you can calculate by like this. But when weight volume is not given, gamma and e or all gamma w is given, then you will calculate gamma d by this formula. Next relationship is between gamma sat g and e or n. So gamma sat is the total weight of saturated soil upon total volume of soil, so that will give you w sat upon v. Further we simplify it, wd into ww upon v. So again further simplify it with respect to volume and unit weights, so that will be gamma s vs plus gamma w vw upon total volume. और फिगर से हम लोग कैलकुलेट करते हैं, तो वी नो दैट फ्रॉम फिगर वी एस इज़ 1, वी डब्ल्यू इज़ ई एंड वी इज़ 1 प्लस ई. सो दिस इज़ योर फिगर. सो वी एस टोटल वॉल्यूम इज़ v and vw is the volume of voids which is given as E. From the figure if you can see, this is your 1 for Vs, total volume V is 1 plus E, and for Vw it is E. So substituting all the values in the above equation, gamma sat will be like this. Gamma s into Vs is 1 plus gamma w into Vw is E upon V is 1 plus E. अगेन gamma s को हम लोग फर्दर सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे g इक्वल्स टू gamma s अपॉन gamma w से. सो यू विल गेट g gamma w प्लस gamma w अपॉन e अपॉन 1 प्लस e. gamma w कॉमन निकालते हैं तो gamma sat का फॉर्मूला आपका ये आ जाता है, g प्लस e gamma w अपॉन 1 प्लस e. So this is the formula to calculate the saturated unit weight with respect to E and G. Next is relation between gamma dash G and E. Submerged density is given by gamma sat minus gamma W. We have already seen it in previous classes. So gamma dash will be gamma sat हमने calculate किया अभी, G plus E gamma W upon 1 plus E minus gamma W. इसे हम कॉमन निकालते हैं तो दैट विल गिव यू g minus 1 gamma w upon 1 plus e. So this is the relation between gamma dash g and e. Next relation is between gamma d, gamma and gamma w. So water content we know w equals to ww upon wd. So further simplify करते हैं, adding 1 on each side. So this will give you like this. सो एडिंग 1 ऑन ईच साइड, अगर दोनों जगह पे हम 1 ऐड करते हैं, सो दिस विल बी 1 प्लस w, और यहाँ पे भी हम लोग यू विल ऐड 1 हियर. ठीक है, तो फर्दर सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो दैट विल बी 1 प्लस w, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे हम लोग तो ww प्लस wd अपॉन wd. सो ww वेट ऑफ वाटर प्लस वेट ऑफ soil solids will give you total weight, that is bulk weight upon weight of dry soil. So wd will be equals to, further हम लोग इसे solve करेंगे so that will give you w upon 1 plus w. As we know that from the first formula of gamma d, wd upon v, तो अभी आपने जो wd कैलकुलेट किया है ये, सो इसे हम लोग यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे फॉर्मूले में. सो यू विल गेट w अपॉन 1 प्लस w अपॉन v, एंड दिस टर्म w अपॉन v क्या है आप बता सकते हैं मुझे? दिस इज बल्क यूनिट वेट, गैमा जो है दैट इज w अपॉन v. सो फर्दर यू सिंप्लीफाई इट, सो गैमा d विल बी इक्वल्स टू गैमा अपॉन 1 प्लस w. So this is again the third formula to calculate gamma d. So these are the important relationships in calculation purpose, and in next class we are going to learn about the numericals. So we'll meet in next class for the numericals. Thank you so much for today.